Just got this in, so this one almost needs no explanation. This is a clone of the Syma X5C in a much cheaper form. It is the Mould King Super A. It's in almost every way that I can tell. It is just like the Syma. It's actually got these protectors around the bottom of the motors here, which is nice. That's nicer than the Syma. But other than that, the thing is pretty much a carbon copy of the Syma X5C. Now, it retails for about anywhere between 27 to 30 bucks, so it's very, very cheap in the ready-to-fly form. Doesn't come with a camera. It does come with the propeller guards and feet. I'm not going to be flying with those today. The battery that it comes with is like a 600 milliamp hour one-cell battery. All right, battery cover is on, and we are ready to get in the air. This is the controller. It's really nothing to write home about. It has two rates, high rates and the low rates. This is in the high rates. It can do flips just like the real Syma. So I think it seems to fly pretty nice. It's just about what I would expect from a clone like this. It's not really hard to clone the Syma X5C. Motors sound okay. Flight seems okay. This one doesn't have any fancy features. It doesn't have any altitude hold or any of that crazy stuff. It's just a straight manual flyer. You have to cut the power at the right time to pull this move off. All right, let's do the flip. Let's try to do this again. Oh, I love the flip. See that? You cut the power at the right time and you get that tumbling flip. Watch this again. Do it again. Oh, no, I didn't pull it off. Wait, let's try it again. Woo! God, see that? I love that. I absolutely love doing that. I'm gonna do it one more time. See, it can catch itself. It's just a matter of timing it the right way. One of my favorite tricks to do with the Syma X5C actually is to do that flip and then midway cut the power and then restore power and let it right itself. And hey, you know what? The Mould King can do it. So it's good in my book. If it can do that just fine, it's good in my book. Batteries are non-proprietary, so pretty much any pick of batteries out there that you want, you can get for this thing. Any Syma X5C batteries will work in this thing. Because the battery bay is pretty much exactly the same. The connector is the same. The battery type, excuse me, is the same. Everything is the same. Everything is pretty much the same about this drone. It's different in name only. Whoa! Almost crashed into my head. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like it. It's the Mould King, the Super A. The lights are nice and bright too. You can tell your orientation. It's just like there are gnats around my head for some reason, and I'm blowing them away with the Mould King. It's getting so close to my head. Ah! But it is keeping the gnats off, so that's good. That's one good thing you can do with the Mould King. Keep the gnats away from your head. Awesome. We're going down, we're going down. Oh, actually, I think that was it. That was it for the battery life, man. So, that's it. That's the Mould King, the Super A. And I think I like it. It's pretty good. If you get this for the right price, it could end up being cheaper than buying a Syma. It depends on what kind of sales are going on. It's definitely a worthy Syma X5C clone, without a doubt. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the review, and as always, have a great day, guys.